Hi there, this video is to show you how to use the bookkeeping planner. So I have a couple different bookkeeping spreadsheets available for purchase, and they essentially all work the same way, and I'm going to show you how to use them. So first of all, this is your dashboard. This will show you here your total annual income. This will show you your total annual expenses. This is your goal, so you can put whatever you like on there. This is the only thing that you can adjust on the sheet. Everything else is formulas. If you click on this graph here, you can put your mouse over each one of the bars and it will show you your income. Same thing for this one. Once you click on it, you can put your mouse over it and it will show your expenses for that month. As you go along and you have different years, you're welcome to choose a different date or change the year. Once you change it to 1 year, it will adjust. So you just double click in there and choose a date, or just put a 5 or a 4, whatever your year is. Okay, so this will show you again your income for January, your expenses, your tax, and your net profit. And this will show everything for that year. This will show you your total annual income, your expenses, your tax, and then your net profit. And so then we can click on this one here. It will also show you your income versus your expenses, 20 versus 210. Now, everything on this sheet will feed in from this sheet. Okay, so let's do an example. We're going to go here. Everything on this column will fill in automatically. You don't have to mess with that. So let's just pretend that we're going to do something for the month of April. It will fill in a 4. So if we did another month, we'll do that for you. So April, say we're going to do a t-shirt. We're going to choose income, shirt, blue shirt. And then your income, so say you made $25 on it, you hit enter. Your expenses, $5, and your estimated tax was $2. Whatever your tax was, that's your net profit. We can come over here to the bookkeeping dashboard and it will show you now we have something on the board for April. And also April here and April there. So that's essentially how this sheet works. And there should be enough room for 300 spaces. If you needed to add more lines, you would highlight this like that and then take this little dot and drag it down. This would, however, affect other formulas. So you would need to make sure that this one is correct. This one's fine. This one would need to go to 308. This one, make sure we go down to 308. And then this one, make sure to go down to 308. Okay, so that will basically essentially add up everything in these columns. So your formulas are right here. And then everything should be okay. And then make sure that everything is correct here. So H, okay, so yeah, so if you added more rows, just make sure that here your sum would go down to 308. And then you would have to do that for every single row. And you'd have to do that for each one. And then you could just drag it all down and it essentially will work for you here. Okay. So that's how you can fix that if you added more rows. Other than that, that is it. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. I am at savvyandthriving.com. Have a great day.